Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. Teachings on Self-Originating Wisdom. He heard these words that were addressed to him, and the great Vajradhara, the embodiment of the Dharma, Vajrasattva in all his glory, the embodiment of the Buddhahood of all the victorious ones, joined together with the end of the sky. It is because no one who is alive within the three realms, with none excepted, understands that their heart essence is self-originating, that they wander in a darkness where we reach no end. This must be understood, so I will explain it well. This is good, O self-originating mind hero. It is good. The spell that compiles the meaning of the Tantra is good. To accord with an intent that is not contradictory is good. For these reasons, this is certainly good. It is good. It brings forth 5 causes and conditions for everything. So self-originating thusness is a great spirit. His true spirit is self-originating. This is why he is self-originating, without there being any other. Our birth, support, maturation, convention, and movement, the objects of our senses, and the deceit of taking things in and holding on to them. Our understanding is joined to the sky. We are self-originating from ourselves. This is a space that is pure. Happiness, sorrow, and indifference, the unmoving, the eternal, and the annihilated, the 3 realms and the 6 classes of beings, the 5 spirits, the 4 births, these are evident in themselves, so they are truly self-originating. The 4 immeasurables, the compilations, rites, levels, and perfections, immeasurable jhana meditations, and our position on enlightenment, these are truly our self-originating minds. They are a space that is pure. The 5 lusts and hatreds, the 5 kinds of good things we desire, our domains, convictions, and all the rest, do not mix and have their own characteristics, but the self-originating creator of all things is the Bodhicitta.